The Contixo F33 Professional Drone aims to deliver a feature-rich aerial experience with its 4K camera and integrated touchscreen remote. It promises extended flight times and smart features, making it an interesting option for enthusiasts. Check the link in the description for the best price. How well does the Contixo F33 actually perform in various real-world flying and filming? Capturing casual video clips is certainly achievable with the 4K camera and gimbal stabilization, providing good quality for everyday memories. GPS and optical flow contribute to stable flight and precise positioning, making it capable for general flying and basic automated. For outdoor scouting, the extended flight time and long FPV range are considerable assets, letting you explore larger areas efficiently. While some intelligent flight modes exist, its ability to reliably track fast-moving subjects for dynamic shots isn't yet independently proven. The Contixo F33 features look good, suggesting solid performance for general use, but real-world testing proof. Considering its price point, does the Contixo F33 offer competitive value compared to other? It packs a lot of claimed features for its price, especially the integrated touchscreen remote, which is often found on. The brand's reputation in the professional drone space is not as established as market leaders, leading to lower buyer confidence. Against competitors, it carved out a niche by offering high-end features like a screen remote at a mid-range price, appealing. When available at a discount, this drone becomes particularly attractive, making its feature-rich package a stronger value proposition. This drone offers a compelling feature set for its price point, especially if found on sale. What are the primary risks associated with purchasing the Contixo F33, particularly regarding long-term? Independent evidence regarding the overall physical durability and build quality of the drone is currently quite limited, posing a potential. The long-term reliability of the flight systems and consistency of performance over time also lack sufficient independent real-world proof. Information on customer support responsiveness and the effectiveness of the warranty process is not extensively documented or independently verified. The integrated screen remote bypasses some common app compatibility issues, potentially simplifying the user experience and reducing software-related frustrations. Buyer risks are moderate because there's limited independent information available about its overall build quality, reliability. The Contixo F33 presents itself as a compelling option for casual users who prioritize an integrated screen remote and a strong feature set at a more accessible price point. However, serious creators or those accustomed to top-tier reliability from brands like DJI should proceed with caution.